Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Drive or the Sheets app. Once signed in, find the Excel file or create a new blank sheet. Make sure to right-click the XLSX and choose Open with Google Sheets so Google converts it. This preserves most formulas and layout. If you need to edit instantly, use the converted file in Drive rather than downloading. This step gets you into the document and ready to modify without extra setup. Once done converting, inspect formulas and formatting. Google uses slightly different functions, so confirm key calculations. You can import additional tabs via File, right arrow import, or copy/paste ranges. Use data tools like filter views to let collaborators test views without changing yours. Protect critical cells with protected ranges and set sheet-level permissions to avoid accidental edits. If you expect no internet, make sure offline is enabled in Chrome so you can continue working and sync changes automatically when online. To finish, click Share and assign precise permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, and copy the link set to the desired audience. If recipients need an Excel copy, use File right arrow download right arrow Microsoft Excel, XLSX to export. Make sure to name versions or use version history before major changes so you can revert. If something goes wrong, check conversion warnings and permission levels first. Often errors stem from protected ranges or wrong sharing settings, which you can adjust and reshare immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.